Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add PayPal on Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version. Start by clicking the settings icon at the bottom left of your main menu. It's the gear icon. Once that opens, you'll see the settings panel with all your site options. Now click on Selling, then click Payments. This will open the Payment Settings panel where you can manage all your payment processors. Look for the Connect PayPal button. It'll be beneath a Payment Processor section. Click that button. A pop-up window should open. If it doesn't, you'll need to unblock pop-ups in your browser and try again. The pop-up will redirect you to PayPal's authorization page. Here's where you'll log into your PayPal business account. Enter the email linked to your PayPal account and select your country. If you only have a personal PayPal account, you'll need to upgrade to a free business account at this point. PayPal will walk you through that, including any identity verification steps. Once you're logged in, PayPal will ask you to authorize Squarespace to process payments through your account. Grant the permission when prompted. You'll see a successful authorization message once that goes through. Now, click the button that says Go back to Squarespace. This takes you back to your payment settings. You should see PayPal listed as an active payment method now. The connection is complete. Before you start taking payments, configure your payment currency in the same payment settings area. Also, review the transaction fees. PayPal charges its own processing fees on each transaction, separate from any Squarespace fees on your plan. To test that everything works, place a test order on your site and select PayPal at checkout. The customer should be redirected to PayPal, log in, confirm payment, and return to your Squarespace site with an order confirmation. You'll need to use a different PayPal account for the test order, not the business account you just connected. PayPal doesn't support a test mode, so just refund the order once you've verified the payment flow. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.